This is the only crispy tofu recipe you'll need. No deep frying, air fry or oven needed, and, spoiler alert, wait until you hear the crunch. We experimented with quite a few different ways of making tofu as crispy as possible before landing on this version. This is the easiest and most foolproof recipe you'll ever find. Welcome to our kitchen, where we show you that good food doesn't need to be difficult, expensive or need tons of space. Okay, let's get started. To prepare, add enough oil to a cold pan to cover the bottom. Be sure to pat dry your tofu before you start. They don't have to be super dry, a little bit of moisture will help the potato starch stick. Cut your tofu into nuggets or bite-sized pieces and place straight into a tray of potato starch. Turn your tofu and make sure they are coated on all sides. It doesn't matter if the coating is a little thick, in fact, they'll even make your tofu crispier. Lay your tofu in the pre-oiled pan and make sure they're spaced apart to prevent sticking together. Now put your pan on a medium-low heat. Let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. If you're not sure, feel free to check the bottom of the tofu from time to time. At this stage, you don't want any colour on your tofu. We're going to fry the tofu twice to get that beautiful crunch. When both sides are lightly cooked, take them out of the pan and let them sit on a drip tray for a few minutes. Okay, now turn the heat up to medium-high and put the tofu back in the pan. Potato starch is by far the best coating to use. Unlike cornstarch, potato starch doesn't brown quickly, which allows you to get that coating nice and crispy before it burns. This is also the secret to a good Japanese fried chicken or karaage. If you're interested in learning how to make karaage, let us know in the comments. From here, we just repeat the same process. Let the tofu cook until it starts to brown, then flip and fry the other side. It's good to turn them a few times as it helps prevent burn spots from forming because the tofu isn't perfectly flat. Once the tofu is golden brown, take them out of the pan and let them sit on the rack until you're ready to serve. You can hear how crispy the coating has become. Now check out the crunch. Great as a vegan alternative to chicken nuggets or add them to salads or stir fries, our crispy tofu can be used in dozens of ways. Well, thanks for joining us, and remember, you're welcome in our kitchen anytime.